Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a quick and effective solution to fix TikTok login problems. Whether you're stuck on the loading screen, getting a login failed message, or unable to verify your number, these methods I'm going to show you should fix all these problems. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Let's start with the most common fix, clearing your TikTok app cache data. If you're on Android, just go to your phone settings or hold the app, tap on App Info, then just click on Clear Data. Tap on both Clear Cache and then Clear Data. This won't delete your account, it'll just reset the app settings. If you're on iPhone, sadly, you'll need to delete and reinstall the app to clear app data. Just press and hold your TikTok icon and delete it, then reinstall the app from the App Store. In the next method, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. If TikTok is stuck on a loading screen or says no network, try switching to a different Wi-Fi. Go to your settings and switch Wi-Fi. If that doesn't work, try enabling airplane mode. Wait 10 seconds, then turn it off. After that, restart your phone. A quick network refresh is all it takes to fix TikTok errors. Now, in the third method, an outdated app version may cause login glitches. Head over to your Play Store and search for TikTok, then download or update to the latest version. Lastly, if none of the methods so far worked, this issue might be global. Go to a website called Down Detector, and inside, just search for TikTok. Then hit enter and check if others are also reporting login issues or if TikTok's server itself is down. If the servers are down, you can't do anything until they're back up. Just wait for that. So that's it. Your TikTok login problem should be fixed with one of these methods. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and take care.